Yeah, here we have an INGERSOLL RAND 8-gallon twin tank wheelbarrow compressor, 230 volt. Appears to be just slightly used, but it runs great. I'm going to fire it up for you. And it shuts off about 135 psi. It's in really good condition. It's a little dusty, a little dirty. We wiped off most of the surfaces. There's a little dent in the shroud right here. Doesn't affect the operation of the unit at all. It has 10 CFM at about 40 psi.